Hoity-toity people of the past, they needed various ways to show off, and owning a parrot that could swear in 4 languages was one of the ways to do it. I'm not quite sure how arsed the Tiny Tims of the world would have been over this, but the people with double-barrelled surnames, they lapped it up. Henry also imports a black pedigree pug from America called Jack Valentine. And then he loses the pedigree papers, so now it's just some random dog. He also goes around carrying these tiny perfume toy dogs, just for the crack.